So we've added some new features to T-Splines 2.2. The first one that I want to show is we now have the ability to extrude curves. So I select a curve, hit the extrude button, and then I can pull up a T-spline surface. This also works for polylines and allows me to pull up a box mode T-spline surface. The other thing that we've done is we've added extrusion to the manipulator. So if you hold down the Alt key and manipulate, it will do an extrusion. You can also do this for T-splines edges and faces. You're not limited to translation. You can use, for example, scaling here, or grab some of these faces, set the pivot, and with rotation, I can quickly make some interesting shapes. So I hit Tab to get the smooth mode, and there we go. The other thing that we've done is we've added a new command to T-splines called bridging. Those of you that have worked with polygonal modelers should be familiar with the bridging command. The basic idea is you select two sets of edges, and it will create a faces in between to bridge the gap. So if I show the preview, we can see those are the two faces that it'll be adding. I can change the number of segments. And one other interesting option I have is to follow a curve. So I select a curve, and then once I have the curve up, I can change how it's going to behave. I can rotate it, or I can flip it. And then at any time I can turn on the preview and see what that's actually going to look like. So let me increase the segments here. And there we go. There's my T-spline. Hit Tab and there's the smooth surface that's bridging through the curve. Bridging also works for faces. And there are a couple of options I wanted to show on faces. So the first one is that you have options for how to align the two face regions that you're going to merge together. So if I click up here and align this top corner with this bottom corner, we can see that there's pinching in the middle. If I want to, I can add half a twist to the curve, and it will just add a nice spiral to it instead of pinching in the middle. I can also flip it to -0.5 and have it go the other way. When I'm done, I hit Enter, and there is my nice smooth T-splines bridge. The final thing that I wanted to show is we've made some modifications to the append command. So the first thing that we've done is we've made it so that append doesn't need to select a T-spline to append onto. It can also figure out if you snap to multiple T-splines, it will realize what you're doing and create a single T-spline from your appended results. So it's just a small user interface tweak that will hopefully make it faster to work with. Okay, thanks for watching.